Good morning mga lalabs. Dahil September dito sa New Zealand, mayroon kaming tinatawag na cherry blossom tulad ng Japan. They call it sakura. So ito yung bulaklak niya na napaka-blooming at napakaganda. Parang very romantic place kung mag-jowa kayo at maglalakad kayo under these trees. Very nice and beautiful scenery, and I love it. It's romantic feeling. Tingnan nyo yan, maglalakad kayo dyan under the trees. Then makikita mo yung mga bulaklak na yan ang background mo. Ang gaganda. So yan guys, every spring, I'm very addicted in this kind of flowers. Cherry blossom, they call it cherry blossoms. I love it and I love watching all the time. Every spring, I'm excited to see these beautiful flowers and blossoms. They call it cherry blossom. So yan guys, enjoy kayo dyan. Manood ng aking video. Yan. Papakita ko sa inyo ang village na may mga cherry blossoms. So yan. Maaga yan, kaya medyo madilim pa konti. Yan guys. So, welcome to New Zealand and enjoy the cherry blossom scenery. So yan na guys. Kita nyo na ang cherry blossom. Dati sa TV ko lang ito nakikita sa drama teleserye sa Philippines. So now, nakikita ko na in person. I love it. And I'm having fun all the time, taking pictures and videos. So enjoy watching my video. Cherry blossom fanatic ng New Zealand. I love cherry blossom. So thank you for watching guys. I love you, mama.